Hello, everyone. Today we are going to talk about a topic that many of us can relate to: hating on ourselves by self sabotaging. This is a destructive cycle that can hinder our growth and happiness. We'll explore how to break free from this cycle, and I'll share some scriptures that offer guidance and support. Self sabotage occurs when we engage in behaviors that undermine our own success and happiness. This can take many forms, such as procrastination, negative self talk, or self-destructive habits. There are several reasons why we may self-sabotage. One reason is fear of failure. We may be afraid of not living up to our own or others' expectations, so we engage in behaviors that prevent us from even trying. Another reason is a lack of self-worth. If we do not believe in ourselves, we may not see the point in putting in an effort to succeed. Finally, self-sabotage can also be a way of avoiding responsibility. By undermining our own efforts, we can avoid the consequences of our actions. Now, in order to break the cycle of self-sabotaging, you have to recognize that it is happening. This requires us to be honest with ourselves and take a hard look at our behaviors and thought patterns. Once we have acknowledged that we are engaging in self-sabotage, we can start to take steps to change our behaviors. Let's get into some spiritual support. One scripture that offers guidance on overcoming self-sabotage is Philippians chapter 4, verse 13, which says, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." This verse reminds us that we are not alone in this struggle, and that with God's help, we can overcome any obstacle. Another helpful scripture is Romans chapter 12, verses 2, which says, "Do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewal of your mind." This verse encourages us to change our thought patterns and behaviors and to focus on what's good and pleasing to God. In conclusion, self-sabotage is a destructive cycle that can hinder your growth and happiness. By recognizing that it is happening and taking steps to change our behavior, we can break free from this cycle and live our lives to the fullest. Remember, with God's help, we can do all things. You are not alone. Let's do this together.